Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another super in-depth and super honest review on the Glow Recipe Plumping Power Duo. It comes with the Plum Pump Hyaluronic Serum and the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Moisturizer Cream. I'll be going over the specs, where to buy, the price, an unboxing, a try-on test, the pros and cons, and my overall final score of this set, and if I would recommend it to you guys or not. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So just before we get into the review, if you are new here, hi, my name is Anita Vivian, aka Annie Vivi, and I love to do super honest and super thorough and in-depth reviews on various things, mostly skincare, makeup, and handbags. I always keep it real in my reviews. I usually don't watch a lot of reviews beforehand, and I just go strictly off of my honest opinion of these products and my raw first impressions. And I try to be as thorough as possible in my reviews. So if you're interested in those kind of things, I would absolutely love it if you could subscribe to my channel, as it would truly mean the absolute world to me. I put a lot of work into my videos, and I absolutely would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe. So with all of that being said, let's get into the review now. I'm gonna be starting off with the price and where to buy. So I ordered this online on the Sephora website. It's originally $73 Canadian. However, I got it during the VIB Sephora sale. So I got it for 15% off. So I got it for $62 Canadian. And shipping was free, so that was nice. So now I'm just gonna go over some of the specs and claims of this product. First of all, I just wanna say that it is a super good value, seeing as they are both full-size products, not minis. So I'm just gonna read you the specs and claims on the back of the box for each of the products. So starting out with the Plum Pump Hyaluronic Serum, it says, this silky hydrating serum harnesses the power of juicy plum and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and visibly plump skin instantly and throughout the day. And next we have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Moisturizer Cream. This lightweight creamy gel moisturizer features a blend of 3 plum extracts, 5 weights of hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamic acid for long-lasting intense hydration. Ice willow herb helps to balance oil and support the skin barrier. For usage, it says, on clean skin, dispense 1 to 2 pumps of Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum and gently pat onto a slightly damp face until fully absorbed. Finish by smoothing a dime-sized amount of Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream to hydrate skin and lock in moisture. So now I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you guys and show you exactly how it came in the box and a little bit more details of the packaging. Now I'm just gonna do a try-on test for you guys. just gonna go over the pros and cons of these products. So the first pro I can think of is that they're both super duper lightweight. They don't feel too heavy on the face at all, which is really nice, especially if you're like me and you happen to have combination to oily skin. It doesn't feel too heavy and like it's going to clog your pores. Another pro is that both of these products in combination with each other have made my skin unbelievably plump and dewy. I find that the name of this product is very accurate, Plumping Power Duo, and Plump. Like, it's very accurately named Plump because it just really felt like it just boosted my skin with plumpness and collagen. I feel like my skin just looks really juicy and thick and young. And yeah, my skin is just really reacting really well to this product. I'm not gonna lie. I'm super impressed. So if you have combination skin, I would highly recommend this product to you. Another pro is that it's not too sticky. It doesn't have any kind of sticky film or residue, which is nice. It also doesn't leave any kind of greasy cast. It dries off relatively smooth. Another pro is that though it is slightly scented, it's not too strong. And the final pro I can think of is that it is refillable. So it's good for the environment. And now for the cons of this product, and I'm not gonna lie, there's not that many. The only ones I can think of is that, yes, I mentioned the smell is slight. However, I'm not a big fan of it. It kind of reminds me of the Pink Cloud by Herbivore moisturizer, the consistency anyway. It doesn't smell nearly as bad as that one because I did do a review on that one last year, and that one smells like garbage. This one doesn't necessarily smell like garbage, but it does have a sort of like organic smell, like a plummy kind of smell. I mean, it is called Plum Pump, but I'm not the biggest fan of the smell, but because it's mild, it's tolerable. And honestly, the only other con I can think of is that the lid on the packaging is really cheap feeling. Sometimes when you're in a rush in the morning and you're just trying to, like, you know, screw it back on, it does have a bit of difficulty screwing on, and you have to make sure you really like aim it properly when you're twisting it, because like even this morning I was in a bit of a rush and it was sideways, and if it's lopsided even a little bit, air can get in and sort of disrupt the quality of the product. So in order for it to be airtight sealed, you really have to like line it up when you're screwing it tight, and I'm not a huge fan of that. Also, the plastic of the lid in general just feels really thin and cheap, and I'm just not a huge fan of the lid of this packaging. Another con is that I've noticed that where the sort of pod ends, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's kind of hard with the reflection, but it ends like here, whereas the width of the thing is like this. So it's way less than what it looks like. Like, it looks like it comes with all of this, but it's actually only like 3/4 of the size, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't actually go that deep. So it's kind of misleading, but yeah. I will say though that for the serum, I don't have as many qualms with it because it is just a pump. Once again, they've used the same sort of cheap plastic, but I haven't had any issues with the pump so far, so I don't really have any issues with this one, and I think it's really cute. So overall, my final score of this set is 9.5 out of 10, which honestly I think is one of the highest scores I've ever given anything ever on my channel. But I've been using this for about a week or two now, and I have absolutely zero complaints. It's cleared up my skin. It's gotten rid of some of my fine lines. I promise you I'm not sponsored by Glow Recipe at all. I just tried this on a whim because it was a good deal, and honestly, I'm in love. This may be my go-to moisturizer, at least for the summer months. I'm not sure if it's going to be hydrating enough for the winter. That's why I actually ended up getting this one, which I'll be doing a review on soon as well. But yeah, honestly, if you're combination skin or a little on the oily side, I would recommend this. It is amazing. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Please give it a like if it was helpful to you at all, and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would truly mean the absolute world to me. You have no idea how much it means to me. So thank you once again for watching, and have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.